Hello people, this is me Shivi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all doing great. So guys, today video is on grow succulent from leaves. So here I have got such a cute succulent. I just love this one because its leaf margins become red when it contacts with direct sunlight. It is very easy to grow plant. Instead of other succulent, this one is not at all delicate. It tolerates sunlight, no need to care anymore of this succulent. You should try this one. As you can see here, small succulent which is present near its bottom, which I already grown from leaves. So let's get started. Before this, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now let me tell you one thing firstly. Always choose bottom leaves for growing more succulents. So here just turn it and it will separate. See how it is. Now remove all the bottom leaves. Whom do I use as propagating material? Now I use this thread, put all the leaves one by one to it with the help of needle. After putting all the leaves in thread, now hang it where they can get indirect sunlight. After 20 days, only roots appear. After 1 week more, as you can see here, lots of baby plants grow well. So here I'm gonna make soil mixture. First cow dung compost, then sand, then soil. Mix them well and put soil mixture in the pot and spread leaves on it. Here I just cut out the leaves. This is because so the baby plant will invest its whole time in its own growth. Now cover it. After 2 weeks more. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos. Share with your friends as much as you can. Thank you.